Hey guys, so today we're gonna make an origami, phone stand. So something you use recycled paper it's better because you're saving the environment. So use recycled paper, but I also want to ask, do you like which one do you like more, origami or like this? So it's almost done. So 1, 2. It only 5 folds though. This is the world's easiest model. So should be something like this. This is the 3rd fold. Look at this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this into short. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, there. So like this. You're almost done. And done. Ta-da! I don't have a phone to test with though. Oh, okay. Not a fake phone. Just kidding, a real phone. It's just real, bro. Hey guys. And look at this. See? It holds it. See? This, it also can hold like this. This. Ta-da! Oh wait, sorry. Should be better. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, mine is a little broken. But it can hold it sideways though. Yeah, I have other models that can hold sideways too. But I'll show you later. Bye!